I really can't think of one. All I'm thinking about is Sharpay on High School Musical going.
Hey guys, welcome to Mundo Rosa. As you can see, we have a different scenario, wondering what's happening. So yes, Christmas is around the corner and we have a very special video for you today. But before we tell you what we're going to do, I want you all to please, if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel, leave a big thumbs up, tell your friends, please share the video and leave a comment. Would love to hear what you have to say. As you can see, I have with me a very, very special guest, a dear friend indeed. Aww. And she will introduce herself and she'll also let you all know what we're doing today.
Hi guys, my name is Mariska. Pinky and I know each other from choir, so that's why we started by doing our vocal exercises for this video. So actually I'm a home baker and Pinky asked me to show her some of the cookies that we can make for Christmas. So we decided to do some Christmas ornaments that we can hang on the tree when they're done. So yeah, excited to show you guys.
So that's what we're doing today. For those who are like, who is Pinky? Pinky is me.
Oh, I said Pinky and then I realized...
No. I guess they'll get to know me more. So yes, Pinky Rosa. I mean, think about it. Mundo Rosa literally means pink world. So there you have it. I also go by Pinky. Now let's begin with the video.
Okay guys, so the recipe that we're using today is just a regular sugar cookie recipe. I'm a big fan of just a simple recipe, and they also work really well to use as ornaments in the trees because they bake really hard. So you're going to start off by creaming the butter and the sugar together. So just mix them in a mixer until they're nice and creamy. Then you're going to add all the rest of the ingredients and just mix it through, and that's it. And you're going to put it in the fridge to chill for an hour. So I actually mixed the dough before we started the video so that it could be in the fridge and chill. So we're going to take it out of the fridge now and start rolling it. By just putting some flour or icing sugar on your working surface so that your dough doesn't stick to it. Okay, and then this amount of dough is about a third of what the recipe makes, just so you know, so it will be a little bit more than this. And then it's a little bit, it breaks a little bit, as you can see, so you kind of have to work with it a little while until it starts to stick to each other, or to itself at least. When the dough is about, I would say, a little bit more than ½ centimeter thick, that's about as thick as you want it.
What you want to do is pass the cookie cutter pieces over the flour, and then you get a nice spot from the cookie dough. Obviously press it in, go as deep as you can, and then shake it a little bit so it comes out beautifully. Alright, so as you know, this will be actually ornaments for a Christmas tree. So what you're gonna need is to make little holes where you want the string or whatever you use to go through.
Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad.
Okay, so now you're going to put your oven on 200 degrees Celsius, and we're going to pop this back into the fridge for another 30 minutes before it goes into the oven for 8 to 10 minutes.
So after 30 minutes, we take the dough from the fridge and we put it in the oven.
Okay guys, the only 3 ingredients that we need to make the royal icing that we're going to use to decorate the cookies with is 1 egg white, a cup of icing sugar, maybe a little bit more if you want it thicker, but about a cup is fine, and a spritz of lime juice, and that's it. Okay guys, so the royal icing that I just mixed was a little dry and a little stiff, so I'm just going to slowly add more egg white to it until it reaches the right consistency. Okay, so now we're going to take the royal icing, we've divided it into 2 parts, and we're just going to put some food coloring. We're going to do one of them red and the other one green because we're going to do some Christmas decorations.
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart.
Now that we have obtained the 3 Christmas colors, we're now going to start doing the fun part, which is to decorate.
Yay!
Yay! So 8 minutes has passed. This just came right off the oven and they smell so good. The strings, because remember these are like ornaments, so you'll be decorating your trees with this.
Hold on.
I'm having a hard time. Literally struggling.
There you go.
And it keeps turning. Here you go.
The fireplace is burning bright, shining all on me. I see the presents underneath the good old Christmas tree. And I wait all night till Santa comes to wake me from my dreams. Oh, why? 'Cause that's Christmas to me. I've got this Christmas song in my heart. I've got the candles glowing in the dark. I'm hanging all the stockings by the Christmas tree. Oh, why? 'Cause that's Christmas to me. Oh, why? 'Cause that's Christmas to me.